Hey everyone, it's Monica McGann. So today is DIY Sunday, and if you're not watching this on Sunday, just know that I will be posting DIYs on Sundays because I have to have my fix of passion, and this is one of them. But most of the time, I do mindset and social tips for social media. Anyways, back to the DIY. So I got a glass jar. You can use any jar. You can use a can. It doesn't matter. I just like that I can see through mine. And this is chalk paper, like chalkboard, but it's paper style. It's self-adhesive. I got it at Walmart. And what I did was I just wrote gratitude jar, but I'm calling it my gratitude journaling jar, which I wish I would have had enough room where I wrote all that, but I didn't. So, oh well. It is still my gratitude jar. I'm just sticking it on the jar. And then on the other side, I used a paint marker. And I got both of those at the Dollar Tree, but you can, again, pick them up at Walmart, any craft store. And I wrote it in paint on the other side. So I have the chalk paper on one side and then wrote it in paint on the other side just for fun. You don't have to do both. It was just me having fun with both styles. So it is definitely, you could use this for your kids, like have them make little mini ones or whatever. Or even have them put theirs in the gratitude jar. So it's a neat thing to teach them to be grateful for things, and it doesn't have to be like grand. It could be like water. I'm grateful for water. I'm grateful for air. Anything that comes to your mind. For me, I'm only putting like 1 to 2 things on the paper because I want to keep it going for the full month, but you can do it however you would like. And I just cut strips of paper out of cardstock, and then I'll write it down and throw it in my gratitude jar. So this is this DIY Sunday for you. Okay, bye.